Split screen mode displays a word processor for your writing on the left and your search results and filters on the right. At the top of the word processor are icons that hide your writing or expand them to full screen. Here you can save your work, but remember, MasterWriter automatically saves all content every 20 seconds. In addition, you can print, show spell check, and show format. The formatting buttons are of the standard variety. On the bottom of the screen are more features that will be covered in a separate tutorial. The Dictionaries mode will only display the dictionaries, filters, and search results. It can be resized so you can use it next to the word processor of your choice.